All right, so we were talking about this garbage. I was trying to figure out what was going on with my neighbors, and so I stole their garbage. I know, bad. Shh, it's fine. All right, so I inferred that based on the evidence that I had, that they were healthy people. I know that they're up early, and that they eat things like yogurt, fat-free milk, and skinny cow desserts. Okay? And so what I was actually doing was I was combining my background knowledge with clues to draw conclusions or make predictions about something I didn't necessarily know. Now, readers have to do this all the time when we're reading. That is one of those behaviors of an active and engaged reader. So today what we're going to focus on is taking what we were doing with the garbage and making that connection with reading. I can combine background knowledge with clues from text to draw conclusions or to make predictions about things that the author doesn't just tell me. So to do this, I brought in some text for us today. We're going to be reading the first paragraph here of Land of Beginnings. And you'll notice over here that I have some starters. These are my thinking stems that are going to help me do my thinking as I'm reading. Okay? So, here we go. In addition to being the first place where cities sprang up, Mesopotamia was also one of the places where people first mastered farming. Because so many important things first happened in Mesopotamia, it has been called the cradle of civilization. I'm noticing that in the text, it says they first mastered farming. My guess is then that there was actually a time when farming didn't happen. So what does that mean? That means that I've inferred that there must have been a time before farming and that Mesopotamia is where that first developed. So by doing that thinking, connecting it with my evidence from the text, I've combined my background knowledge with clues from the text to draw conclusions and to make some predictions.
You're supposed to.